Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna learn about how we can draw soffit, fascia and getter when we create a roof. Alright, if you don't know what are the soffit, fascia and getter, let me show you this. So typically this is the soffit, which is the underside surface of the roof, and this is the fascia bolt, which hangs down vertically from the top surface of the roof. And you know what the getter is, so this is the getter. So this is the getter, right? So let's jump right into it. Now we're in the Revit, and let me go to this level 2 because we're gonna start creating a roof right now. So to create a roof, you just click on the roof and roof by footprint and choose the pick lines. We're gonna go with my created basic roof, and I'm gonna write down 1 meter to offset. So this will go like this, and click on the boundaries of the wall. Okay, now we have it, and cancel. And then we're gonna do it like slope, give it a slope about 25 degree. Okay, now we have it. And now let's go to the 3D, and now you can see. So basically when you have created a roof, there are no surface, fascia and getter. So when you look from down there, if we change that to hidden line, so this is ugly, like there is nothing in there. We're gonna have to create some soffit first. Alright, so let's go to the level 2 back again and create a roof. So now let's go to the soffit, and we're gonna pick the lines, okay? And just pick on these boundaries, and also pick on the wall, pick on the roof. Just pick lines. So these boundaries is gonna be the fascia, so just click and go to the 3D. I think the fascia has got a thickness, so this is too thick. Oh, this is the generic 300 millimeters. Sorry, so it should be soffit. I'm gonna choose with 20 millimeter. Okay, and now we have it. This is a soffit. And if you don't know how to create a soffit with your you just have to do like edit type and duplicate it. Now let's go with this name, and I click OK. Go to the edit, and you can change the thickness whatever you like 25 or things like that, and click OK, and OK once again. So this will be the 25 thickness soffit. So now we have created the soffit. We need to create some fascia down there. So to create fascia, click on the roof and choose this roof fascia, and then you just need to click on these boundaries of the roof. So just click on that. It automatically creates the fascia just like this. So it looks pretty cool. Yeah, just like that. Okay, now we have it. So our roof now looks pretty amazing. We're gonna have to add some getter in that. So to create getter, go to the architecture tab. Under the roof, you have the getter, and now we can just click on the lines just like that, and it also automatically creates the getter. Okay, so that's about it. This is how you can create getter, fascia and soffit. So if you want to change the profile of a getter, select that getter and then go to the edit tab. You have the profile right here, okay, and you can choose this or that, and you can just load in some families that you want by insert, so just gonna go with that. Okay, so this is basically how you can create these tools. I hope this video helps you out with your Revit learning journey. If it does, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you.